They've been here for over 200 million years. Survivors of the dinosaurs. Crocodiles don't hunt. They wait, motionless, silent, deadly. Their bite? Over 3,700 pounds of pressure, stronger than a great white shark. They can hold their breath underwater for over an hour. And when they strike, it's already too late. Still think they're slow? Follow for more wild facts.